due to COVID, post-COVID, all the funny in the hospital industry. I always say, जो कुछ खोआ है वो मेरा नादानी थी, जो कुछ पाया है वो खुदा की मेहरबानी थी। खूबसूरत रिश्ता है मेरा और खुदा के बीच, मैं कभी ज़्यादा मांगता नहीं, वो कभी कम देता नहीं। जो नहीं मिलता उसका गम नहीं है, जो है उसे किसे कम नहीं है। जो नहीं है वो ख्याल है, जो है वो लाजवाब है। All the brothers and sisters, please believe in the God, believe yourself. Definitely, if you will become happy, the world will become happy. If you will smile, the world will smile. Definitely, the total output of the life will be happy. Thank you all the organization for the wonderful organization of the Mahakumbh Mela. I bow down with each and every sister for the job they have done. It's not a small job because I'm organizing many events since last 30 years. The work you have done, it's so tremendous. Pressure you must have taken, the effort and calling so many people. And thanks becoming our Rotary becoming a partner and trying our little best to help you to bringing happiness, bringing peace in the world through ASHU'S Vishwavidyalaya, which is the unique in the world. And I'm proud that my few family members are associated with this organization, and I bow down to all the sisters, and I whatever I can do through Rotary, through individually during my tenure and the next year. Jai Jagannath, Namaskar, Om Shanti.